According to the U.S. Tire Manufacturers Association, the annual economic footprint of U.S. tire manufacturing is more than $170 billion, and the industry employs 291,000 workers in roles within manufacturing, distribution, and retail. But that workforce number took a hit last week when Michelin announced that it would be winding down its tire-making operations in Ardmore, Oklahoma, eliminating 1,400 jobs with it. At issue, says Michelin, is the plant's inability to put out competitively priced tires. The company says the Ardmore facility, which has produced passenger tires for 53 years, is not equipped to deliver tires at competitive costs to meet the North American market's evolving demands. According to Reuters, necessary tire production will be moved to Michelin's other North American plants, and Ardmore will continue to offer rubber mixing. Staff reductions will reportedly begin mid-next year, and the wind-down completed by 2025. Earlier this year, tire industry competitor Goodyear announced that it would lay off around 5% of its staff globally, including 90 in Akron, Ohio. At the time, Goodyear cited a need to, quote, drive efficiencies to help offset inflation in areas like wages and benefits. More recently, industry observers have voiced concerns over the potential domino effect that UAW workers striking the Big Three could have on the tire industry. Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt released a statement in response to the Michelin news last week saying, quote, business is constantly changing, but Ardmore is a great location with a great workforce, and I have no doubt we will attract more businesses. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.